Thank you. Okay, all right. Disrupt. Impact. Radical. Just words. Words that hold importance. There have been many great inventions. Bridges, cars, microwave popcorn. I'm here to bring you the next in that list. The new Washington's Lottery vending machine. I know, right? Thank you. Not just a vending machine, an imagination station. Let's take a look at some of the new features. Say goodbye to buttons and use our new touchscreen to find your tickets with ease. The ease of a touch. The touch of your finger. Our new ticket scanner makes this the first machine that can tell you if you're a winner. Take that, ATM machines. Multi-draw allows our most future-forward-thinking players play even further into the future. And the new ability to play it forward and turn one win into more wins. Our new machines are fully loaded, so get on out there and play today. Yes! Yes! Yeah! Woo! Woo! Ah! Woo! Feel great!